In a serene village surrounded by nature, Grandpa Raj and his granddaughter, Meera, sat together on the porch of their traditional home, overlooking lush fields. Meera, always curious, asked, "Grandpa, why do you often say that time is so valuable?" Grandpa Raj smiled and decided to explain with a local example. He pulled out a large brass bowl and filled it with 86,400 small, colorful beads. This bowl represents the seconds in a day, exactly 86,400 beads. Meera's eyes sparkled as she observed the beads. "What should I do with these beads?" Grandpa Raj began by pouring some beads into a smaller bowl. "Let's use these beads to represent different activities. For example, you might use 12,000 beads for studying and schoolwork, 20,000 beads for spending time with family, and 8,000 beads for practicing skills to improve your talent." He then showed her another small bowl with fewer beads. This bowl represents the beads that get wasted. If you spend too many beads on distractions like excessive television, using mobile phone, or wasting your time without doing anything, those beads are lost and cannot be used again. Meera looked thoughtfully at the bowls. "So if I use my beads wisely, I can make each day meaningful." "Exactly," Grandpa Raj said with a nod. "Imagine that each bead is a chance to do something valuable. If you use them for education, family time, and hobbies, you enrich your day. If you waste them, they disappear without adding value." He then sketched a simple chart on a piece of paper. "Here's how you might distribute your beads: 25,000 for education, 20,000 for family time, 15,000 for hobbies, and 10,000 for rest and relaxation. This balance helps you make the most of your day." Meera smiled, understanding the lesson. "So by managing my beads well, I can ensure that every day is special and fulfilling." "That's right," Grandpa Raj said with pride. "Every bead is a precious opportunity. Use them wisely, and your days will be filled with joy and achievement." From that day on, Meera carefully managed her beads, ensuring she spent her time on meaningful activities. She valued every second, creating a life full of cherished moments and accomplishments. Hit the like button if you like this video and share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel Knowledge Infinity Tamil. Click the bell icon for more inspirational tales and moral stories.